everyone, welcome back for another video on my project Apollo. Today I've got a little something that it's not very common, but I bought it. And I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, and well, you probably will know already, you saw the title. Okay then, I got this fan controller, and even though a lot of people they don't use it, I'm going to use it, and I'm going to tell you why, and why I went for this specific one. So I'm going to do an unboxing, I'm going to check it out, and as I go along I'll tell you why exactly I went for this one. So let's just open this up. Let's open this. This is an NZXT Sentry 3 fan controller. So basically this allows me to control my fans. If you saw my video about how many fans I'm going to have on my build, there'll be a few. And more fans you've got on a PC, the louder they can get. But because I've got quite a few fans built in, they'll be spinning quite slowly, therefore they'll be very quiet. But sometimes if I'm pushing it hard, like exporting something from Lightroom or working or doing a render in another program, so just keep them cooler. The speed might be high, might need a little bit more speed. And if I'm doing a video tutorial for YouTube, I can turn them off. Obviously I wouldn't advise you to turn off all of the fans, leave at least the ones cooling your CPU. In my case it will be a Corsair radiator with 2 fans. Those won't be connected to these because they'll be doing its thing as they should. So there you go. As you may notice, I don't have a script for this, I just go along, and I'm opening literally just now. I never seen this product with my hands and my eyes. So I'm going through this. So instructions, cable ties and some tiny screws. And there you go. Oh, by the way, the reason why I went for this one here, there are different controllers out there, and even though I'm using quite a lot of things, they are Corsair. Corsair has its own fan controller that you can even control just within the program, so you don't need to go pressing buttons here and there. But the reason why I went for this is digital and it's touchscreen, so it will either be the quick. And this is really cheap. I'll be honest with you, really cheap, cheaper than some manual ones I've seen on the internet. So let's see. Ooh, shiny. So I don't know if you see it properly. I will eventually do a proper review on this so you can take a look. Some connectors on the back, obviously they'll be connected to the fans and power. And also there's this little one. This one here, it's actually for the temperature, because they'll be on the panel temperature as well, so I'll know the temperature. I don't need to use any program, it's right there, I can see it. Another great feature is, sometimes I'm working late night and I want to keep everything, and I want to switch off everything, all the lights. This actually, the screen goes black, so it turns off the screen itself. So if you want a stealth mode, it has as well. So it's very cool. So it's powered by Molex and fans, and that is it. I think it's very cool. Looks super easy to set up. You've got fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically all you have to do is just knowing the order you connect your fans to the numbers you've got here, and you're good to go. So you can control the speed, you can control temperature, so it's very cool. Another thing is, it's nice to have the little temperature thingy there as well, so whenever you're doing something and you're going like, is it too hot? Is it too cold? I'm not saying about the weather, because outside it's a bit chilly. I still wear shorts anyway, and short sleeves. Well, I use short sleeves all year round. And in here it's very cool. It's warm. So this is cool. Keep everything cool, and alerts you about the heat as well. So I think that this will look awesome, and NZXT, they're a good one, they are good as well. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and seeing my unboxing because everything is back in the box, even though I'm going to take it out very soon to start measuring these, because even the box and on the web there's dimensions. I like to take my own measurements, because 1 millimeter can be just a little thing, but can be huge when you're building something. And I want to be honest, I want to look good. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video with everyone you know, and even to the people you don't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.